Sustainable food system minimizes the environmental impact and maximizes the use of resources via circular food economy. This cannot be achieved with only the practices we apply today. Hence, novel solutions and practices are required.
You will learn how to design and optimize food processes in a sustainable and economical manner. The assignments are related to real case studies, for example on new applications on improving texture, flavor and nutritional value of plant-based proteins.
Technology has most often essential role in sustainable food system.
Food quality and safety issues are also covered in the program. The studies will include courses on fermentation, rheology of liquids and suspensions, novel extraction methods, and principles of different food processing technologies.
After graduation, students may work in food industry or technology companies serving the food industry as a process engineer, development engineer, or as a specialist.